All right, let's share the screen. Let's go over this EU buy. And this was pretty simple. Let me clear this up. All right, but real quick, let me just show y'all that I have more videos, as you see right here. Nothing but every video is a new client. So watch all my videos from my YouTube. And here's my Instagram, just so y'all can see all my credentials and see all my clients. And each one of my highlights has 100 client results inside of them. Results, mentorship, client results. For some reason, my message box isn't on here. I don't know why, but if you want the mentorship, just go to the link right there. Yeah, I have a course. It's like 250, but trust me, just get the mentorship. You get the course with it as long as you get the mentorship. So enough of all that. Let me just break down the chart. First, you go to your daily, come down. You see that you are in buys. So we're not going to spend too much on that because we've been in buys for a while. So let's take this off. Another reason that you know these are in buys because boom, one, two, went from here to here, up to here, up, three. Like understand we are in buys. Go down to your 4 hour time frame and you are still in buys. From right here, you're going up and up and up and up and up. So you understand that we are in buys. Your entry is 30 minutes. And this works on any time frame. Your entry is 30 minutes. And I'm gonna have a client a Zoom after this that I'm gonna send to y'all. Well, not send to y'all, but it'll be in this video. So let me just break this down and I'm gonna send it to you. So you basically see that we have a support level right here. So I'm gonna be buying in a support level in this area. Let me put 500. Oh, I can just up it. You see how it's at 1.18500 even. So now we can take this away. And this is where the buy would be since we already broke down that we were in buys on the 30-minute, 4 hour, and the daily. All right. So remember, that means you had one, two, three, four, 5 opportunities to take a buy. Now, wasn't that simple? If you need help with going into more detail, and this is my dashboard. Like this is the back of my YouTube. Let me just go to my channel. And here's the videos. Every video you can see every single one of them, different clients. And if you want the mentorship, just go right here to type form mentorship. And you can see every single, and this is active. Let's see. See? Right here. Just posted it 5 minutes ago. Take action, y'all. You want to make money day trading. Do you know what MetaTrader 4 is? Just curious.
No.
Okay, so you're gonna need to download that app. Let me show you. Let me show you what it is. You're not gonna really need it right now, just because you're gonna be on a demo account in the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
But just so you know, uh, this is the reasoning why I only take my trades on here to make my money. But
Mm-hmm.
I use TradingView to see my charts because I don't want to use this to look at what I'm doing.
Got you.
You see how it's like it's kind of unclear. It's clear, but it's like I like it way more on my TradingView.
For sure.
And let me show you what MetaTrader 4 is. Let me give me one second. You have an iPhone or Android?
iPhone.
Okay.
So I'm downloading it right now.
Okay. Do you see MetaTrader 5 on there as
Yeah.
well?
Yeah, I see 5 too.
So MT4, MT5, they're basically the same thing. MT5 is just a upgraded version of it. I've been trading for 7 years, so
Mm-hmm.
I've been using MT4. I haven't really switched over to MT5. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Don't like get it confused. Um,
Gotcha.
but you can download either or. They're the same thing. Nothing changed. It's just it's an upgraded version. Eventually I might switch over to MetaTrader 5. But I mean I have no reason to. So I just
Mm-hmm.
want you to be aware of like so you don't say, oh, he showed me like a older version of MetaTrader. I want you to know like there is an MT5, but it's just there's nothing
Pretty much
different.
the same.
It's the same thing. It's just upgraded. It's just like okay, there's this iPhone, and then you got the iPhone Max.
Mm-hmm.
Same
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
thing. It's just an upgraded new year. MT4 been around for years, years and years, so there has to be something that like comes out that's like, oh, this is the upgraded version. And I just
Sure.
want you to be aware of it.
Yeah, yeah.
So, when you're trading Forex, what are you interested in? Are you interested in like stocks, Forex, or crypto? Because like I have clients that trade like Bitcoin or they're trading Forex or they're trading gold. You know what I mean? What is something that you
I honestly don't know, bro.
I
Like,
got no, I know. I just got to figure out what you know
um,
and what because I mean I can teach you, yeah, like oh we can, break down gold and I can show you, but I mean I don't want you to think, oh, there's only gold. Like, bro, this is a system that you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Forex, you can trade gold, you could trade NAS
I want it
100.
all then. I want to get it all.
Okay, so the system is the same. It doesn't matter which one you trade. The system is the same. I just wanted to know because I can't go off my preference.
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
gotta ask you since you don't know. So I'm like, hey, what you want? You know what I mean? Like
Yeah, for sure.
what you want to do. But it's everything is the same. So I'm gonna just show you gold because I'm pretty sure you probably don't know what NAS 100 is. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna show you gold because I'm sure you understand. You know what gold is. So it just
Gotcha.
makes it a lot easier.
For sure.
So I'll give you all the back ends like after I break this chart down.
Mm-hmm.
Just because me showing you how to break this chart down is what is gonna make you consistent and profitable with money. So
Gotcha.
we can get into the what website do I need or what account do I need after. You know
Gotcha.
what I mean? I want you to be profitable by next week, like because you're
Gotcha.
gonna be on a demo account. So
Yep, yep.
let me show you real quick.
I just seen your new video too, your YouTube video. I was watching that earlier today. So
Oh
yeah.
yeah, I had that video. Like it was like I think it's on YouTube. You can like have it unlisted. And I had it just for like people that were messaging me and I just be like, man, like I have a video. Like I really don't want to like text a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I got a life. You know what I mean? I got a
Yeah,
family.
for sure.
I got
Yeah, yeah,
kids
yeah.
and I really don't I'm not gonna be texting all day in my Instagram. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
just
yeah,
can't.
yeah.
I can't, bro. So I had a video for them. I was like, man, let me just get it was the only video that I had unlisted in my thing.
Mm,
But let me show you this how I trade and then it's a good thing that you really haven't had nobody like try to teach you some like
mm,
stuff because it's easier when you don't have all these limiting beliefs of stuff that's already been put in your head from YouTube. Like just
mm,
learning stuff on YouTube about strategies and stuff like that. And it's
mm,
like you gotta because I usually tell people to like stop trying to trade strategies because they're gonna break and strategies go over and die. So a
mm,
system is something that banks trade. Like they're not on the computer all day, every day. So that's
mm,
how I teach all my clients, and that's how I trade because that's how I make money. Um,
mm,
basically, I don't trade lower time frames. Time frames is just, and if I get into something that's like doesn't make sense to you or anything, let me
mm.
know. You know what I mean? Be like, hey, I don't understand that
Got you.
because I'm gonna just tell you this is what I do. This is how I make the money. And anything outside of that, I don't do. So I need to know the part where I lose you so I can make sure, like, when we're done with our Zoom call, you're
Mm-hmm.
basically going to be breaking down the chart and you're going to be going through. I know how you're going to do it. You're going to go through all these and you're going to break down the chart and you see how everything works and you're going to be like, all right, I'm ready to make a move and stuff and put it in a demo account. So
Got you.
just I'm gonna just put my mind on it and then just if I lose you, let me know.
Got you.
Okay. So higher time frame is basically this is where it's like the daily of the candlesticks. Let me make our screen bigger. And this is all recorded, so
Yeah.
good. All right, so this is where we are in the market right now. We're
Mm-hmm.
just gonna focus on history because obviously we can't do nothing if the market's closed right now. It's Saturday, so none of this candlestick is even gonna move. So we're just
Mm-hmm.
gonna go off of what we have right now. So we are on. So this is a daily. We get on our daily means each candlestick is 1 day. So 1 day, 2 day. This red one is yesterday. This is the day
Mm-hmm.
before. This is the day before, and so on over history, years and years and years.
Got you.
All we care about is right here. What's going on now? So prices obviously, hold on, let me move so you can see the price. Gold right here. This is where the price was at during, oh, this is now, so this is where the price is at 3,684. That's how much gold is worth right now.
Mm-hmm.
So since that's sitting right there, all I care about is this area. I don't care about anything over here. Yeah, it's important, but then remember this is daily candlesticks. And you see how
Mm-hmm.
big these candlesticks are. Let me
Mm-hmm.
get bigger. You see how big they are, so they're not gonna be, it's not like this candle's gonna be way up here or way down here in 1 day. You know what I mean? They're gonna move slowly. So we don't really need to pay attention to the daily like that. So we're just gonna go to the 4 hour. All I did was click on the time frame, change
Mm-hmm.
interval, which is basically just time frame. Click on it and just put 4H, 4 hour. Um, Let me see. You could probably even put like 8H, 8 hour. Yeah, you could do either one, and all it's gonna do is break down the candlestick. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, that daily candlestick was
Mm-hmm.
just 1 day. But if I turn this to the 4 hour, then it's gonna break that daily candlestick into four candles. So let me
Got
just show you just real quick, just so you can give a better demonstration. So you know that nothing changes. Nothing. All right, so you see I marked this up. We're gonna change it to 4H.
you. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay.
Candle
Okay.
it doesn't get bigger, it doesn't get smaller. It stays this. This is what 4 hour, 2 4 hour, 3 4 hour, 4 hours.
Got you.
And you can tell the times by down here where it says September 25th and then it's in military time. So it
Mm-hmm.
shows you in 4 hours intervals what it is. So we saw on the daily that we're going in an uptrend. Obviously you can see that the trend is moving up with price.
Mm-hmm.
Going up and up and up. So basically I will put daily buys because we were on the daily. Now I go 4 hour dash buys. Oh, shoot. Obviously, you see we're in buys because price is moving up, but you don't even need that because with Forex, I'm sure you've seen a lot of people post other trades and everything like on Forex, and you see their charts. They got a bunch of crazy stuff on it. I'm showing you like a breakdown of you don't need all the crazy indicators and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm showing you the simplest things. So you see that we're in an uptrend. So now I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour, just 1H.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's still blocked in the same. Let me get 1 hour. We are still in buys. Obviously, you see the candlesticks are moving up.
Mm-hmm.
And another reason you know we're in buys is a million reasons. You can see the blue. Blue is going up buys, red is going down sells. We have
Mm-hmm.
blue pressure, and if you want to even make it just for if you need better sightseeing on this, you can tell that, I mean, this is a little sloppy, but you can tell that price was right here, broke through the resistance, now we went up. Price is right here, gave you some support, broke the resistance, now we're going up. So
Mm-hmm.
after 1, 2, that lets you know, like, hey, we're buying. We're not,
Mm-hmm.
there's nothing that deals with selling. So let me take all this off, just so I don't want no confusion. I want you to get straight profitable. So we're gonna go down to the 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the last where I go down for my entry, because you don't want to be a scalper. A scalper is basically somebody that does quick trades, like are in 5-minute trades or 15-minute trades.
Mm-hmm.
And the problem with that is, for my reasonings, and for my client's reasoning, is we have family, we have kids, so we can't be on the chart all day, every day for 5-minute candlesticks, and that's just each of these candles 5 minutes, and you're gonna be staring at the. I don't want to stare at the laptop all day, so
Yeah,
I'm only gonna go on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes. I'm just breaking it down just so when I get down to my entry, I know where I'm at in price. So
gotcha.
if you want to do the fast stuff, it's the same thing to make fast money. But the thing about fast Forex money is it like you blow your money fast. You know what I mean? You blow
Mm-hmm.
accounts, you blow prop firms, and you don't want fast. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It won't last. Like I've blown so many accounts by flipping accounts. Like I've made from a $500 account and flipped it to 2,000, or a 2,000 account and flipped it to 5,000. But the thing is, at the end of the day, I've always, because I have to use that same money. I'm gonna use the same money that I made to place a bigger trade that's gonna blow it all. And I've
Mm-hmm.
always put in my head like, I got it, I'm good. I was never good. I always blew. I was never good. So had to make a system to where it takes me away from blowing my account like that. Not
Gotcha.
every day is a trading day, and I was treating it like gambling. So this mentorship takes away the gambling, and it takes away the emotions of the trade, and it takes away of the am I buying or am I selling?
Gotcha.
Let's get back to this. So 30 minutes, we obviously see we're buys. We're on the 30-minute interval, so we're gonna put buys. All right, so support and resistance. Resistance is when the candlesticks of price is right here. When price is doing this, it shoots up, bounces on it, and bounces off. It rejected it. That's resistance. It came back up, bounced, didn't even pass the price up here.
Mm-hmm.
Resistance. That's resistance. Support is this. Support is what is price bouncing off. So basically, price was at 36,032. So
Mm-hmm.
price was sitting right here bouncing at that number. So that means support. Always remember support is buying and resistance is selling.
Gotcha.
So we're gonna put Y, and these notes is literally for me trading. I really don't have to do all this only because I've been doing it for years, but I want you to do it just so you can always get the hang of. It's like having a cheat sheet. It's like having a paperwork and you got a cheat sheet next to you and you're like, go to my daily. Where am I doing? Buys? Okay, cool. Let me go to my 4 hour. What am I doing? And you can see it on the right of you, down to my 30 minutes, down to my entry. All right, why am I even taking the trade? All right, this is the part we at. Why buy? Because we have buy pressure on all four. We can see that we've been buying for a long time. So we're just gonna put buy pressure. That means out of all the banks that are in the market, and just for better understanding, let's just say Bank of America and Chase. Obviously, you know Chase is bigger. So let's just say Chase is driving the market. And it's not just Chase, it's millions of banks. It's not, I'm just for an example.
Mm-hmm.
Chase is driving the market all the way up here, and Bank of America is on the sell side. So let's just say Bank of America is over here and they're selling. Obviously, Chase is winning because they have more buying pressure, more money. So that's
Mm-hmm.
what I mean by why are we buying? Because there's more buy pressure
Mm-hmm.
right here currently. I'm not talking about yes, we can keep saying, back here, way back here, way back here, years back here, but we don't need to. I'm only gonna say what we're doing right now. So right
Mm-hmm.
now we are buying. All right. Buy at no. Where is support? Because like I said, you buy at support, you sell at resistance. I'm not gonna buy right here. I'll just use this. I'm not gonna buy right here. I'm not
Mm-hmm.
gonna buy right here. I'm not gonna buy anywhere in here unless I'm at some type of support. Because if you bought right here, look, price came down.
Mm-hmm.
So you have no support right here whatsoever. If anything, you got resistance. If anything, resistance, resistance. So there's you have no buy. You have no, there should be no reason you're like, I'm buying right here at all.
Gotcha.
Um, so obviously why I'm putting where is support because you only buy at support. So take this off. We have support down here, support right here.
Mm-hmm.
If this trade wasn't going, if this didn't go on all right now, let's just say that the chart was like this and all you saw was this part and you saw your two supports, you're gonna wait for this to come down to your support.
Gotcha.
So when it comes down to your support, let's just say like obviously we're cheating by looking at it, but you get the picture. Let me take this. Okay. And it takes off because it's bouncing on that support. And you had two opportunities. One, opportunity one, and opportunity two. This is where you place your buy. So you say, where is your support? Boom. And the my secret sauce that I own like where I really like trade to where if I really because all this is like a confluence. It's like what is going if this is going right, this is going right, this is going right.
Mm-hmm.
What how do I lock it's already locked in right here, it's locked in right here, and it's locked in right here. So what is one because this is how you protect your money. So these are rules of protecting your money. So if I have all this, what's something that can lock me down? Banks only trade whole numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Like they don't trade 3628, 3636. They trade like quarters theories, like 3600 flat or
Mm-hmm.
36 quarters theory 25. Like we have a quarter 25, and then we have that quarter that's 50 cents, and then we
Mm-hmm.
have a quarter that's a dollar, that
Mm-hmm.
little the rare little quarter dollar stuff. Think of the quarters theory. So let's say 3625. That's where banks go for their trades. 3650, 3675, 3650, or going on up. So
Gotcha.
understanding on where, okay, where am I? You'd be like, okay, Anthony, where am I going to take my trade exactly? I get the support, I get the buy pressure, I get that we're in buys. Where exactly when price hits this is when I'm hopping in and pressing my buy. All
Mm-hmm.
right, so we're gonna go down and we're gonna look for our whole number. Where did the price go? Where did the price hit? And I got, hold on. I don't trade gold like that. So do you see where I'm looking?
Yeah, on the corner on the yeah where the numbers are, the
Yeah.
364. So, yeah, I see
Yeah,
that.
that's where I'm looking.
Yeah.
It's hard controlling it. I usually just do this. I'll just do it this way. I was trying to control it manually, but I'll just do it this way. So here was this trade. Hold on. Where is this? So you had one opportunity. Hold on 1 second. Because I'm missing one of my tools up here.
Okay.
It keeps bringing me this. One opportunity, second opportunity, and this is the third opportunity.
And what button are you pushing to get the place the target and the stop?
So that part, that's on that's when I said I have to take my trade on here on MetaTrader,
Mhm.
that's where I take it at. So
Okay.
let me show you. Let me see. Let me open it. So it's really small. It's on my phone, but basically all I do is I press trade. And you'll see it's on your phone. Like if you when you upload your MT4, MT5, all you do is just press trade, and then you see it says buy and sell, and then you just put your the number in the middle. That's where you put like, okay, is this trade like a $1 trade, $5 trade, $10 trade, and whatever number you choose, however big your account is.
Mhm.
Um, Once you put it in and you see how these go up, how it says 34 right here. So you just do 34 times however much you traded. So if you're doing a dollar, $5, then you do 5 times 34. So 5 times 34, 5 times 34 is 170. So obviously if you do a $10 trade, 34 is 340. So the higher the bigger your account is, the more money you make, obviously.
Gotcha, gotcha,
That's
gotcha.
where you see this 34 up here.
Mm-hmm.
That's how many you just times it how many points it's going up. So how much the price is going up. So for gold, it's from 3,650 where you took your entry, and it's all the way up here at 3,685. Then you can see how much, you just do the math on that. You know what I mean? How much money extra you made. You
Gotcha.
just times it. The red is losing money. So when you're in drawdown, so if you seven, where it says seven, then you're gonna be losing 5 times 7. The
Gotcha.
goal is to not take big losses. So this is why I use the whole numbers theory,
Mm-hmm.
because it lets me know if I'm at 3,650 and I put a buy in at 3,650 and we're going down too much, then
Mm-hmm.
it's like, think of it as you have a bank account, and if you go negative in your bank account, how low do you want to see your bank negative? You know what I mean? You like, so
Mm-hmm.
it's like that. Like when are you gonna pull out? $20 when you negative? Like $40 negative, 50? At some point you all right, let me close out. This is
Gotcha.
how I make the system of to where I have my stop losses short. So it could be 10 pips because I'm 10 points because I'm making 34 times 34. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
The goal is to have less risk and pull out less. So that's
Got-
how I make long trades, because we've did our where's our support and whole numbers. Where's my whole numbers? This is your cheat sheet of my system to where you're fully set up to, no matter what chart you look at, whether it be gold, Bitcoin. Let me get us out of this so I can, whether it be gold, Dogecoin. So if anybody, any of your friends talk about some meme coin, some crypto coin, some any type of coin that you hear about, or whatever you want to do that involves any type of markets, that is
mhm.
what this system does, to where any Bitcoin, XRP, XRP, this is what one of my clients is in. They made a lot of money. This client made 14,000 right here. And
Mm.
this is, we broke the chart down, everything just like I'm doing with you. And he was in this buy right here. He made 14,000. I don't know how big his account is. I think he has like a $5,000 account or a $6,000 account. But with XRP, you can make some good money.
Mhm.
He made 14,000, and I was like, shh.
Mm.
And he pulled out, I
So,
think.
So when you place the trade, you say you do it on your phone. So
Hmm.
how do you know like if you're looking at this chart first and you do the
It's the
strategy?
same.
So like when you put it in the computer, it goes automatically to your phone, or do you have to do it to your phone too, like at the same time? Like that's
So the price that's on TradingView, it's the same. I'm typing is where it says XRP. All I
hmm
would type in is the XRP, and it's the same market. It's the same price. Nothing's changing because I'm still in the price. So I'm watching my trade on my computer, but but the profit, like pressing buy and sell, and the profit going up and down is on my phone. So I can
Got
look
you,
at the laptop and be on my phone.
got you,
I
got
don't
you.
have to because obviously you see there's a chart on my phone, which
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can use 100%. But bro, I have a laptop. I can do
yes,
this. You know what I mean? I don't need to. And it's
got
more cleaner and it gives me a better look. Like it looks cleaner. So that's why I look on here.
you.
Um,
Saying you look on the computer, so you look on your computer and then you're just like, okay, you do the strategy and then you go to your phone and then type in it in type of thing.
I don't have to type anything in. I just have to press buy or sell because when you get on your phone and you type in, let's just say gold, and you want to trade gold, then it's already like it just pulls up a chart that looks just like this. It's just different. It's just black. Instead of white, it's a black chart. That's it. That's the only difference is this is a white chart. On my phone, it's a black chart. Price
Got
is the same, everyth's the same. So when I press buy or sell, it's the same price that's on here.
got you, got you, got you. Okay. So
Um, Besides like what, website. I mean, yeah, I could tell you what website I have my clients using is called Plus 500 and let me go down. And they're a US regulated bank. So all you do is just have a try a demo account and that's how you make a demo account. This is what I would want you to do. So when you implement this same strategy
mm-hmm.
in you're using your demo and you're able to place trades in it like $5, 10. It's like you could play around with it and it's not your real money when the market's going up and down. So once you
Got,
get the groove of it, then you hop into start trading now a live account.
got you.
Um, but make sure you're making money on profit on the demo side before you get over here because it doesn't make sense to, hey, I'm gonna start putting my real money in and blowing my money if I'm
Oh,
not even making money on my demo.
for sure. So
Um,
after the demo, then we start the trading now, and then after that, I go to the meta trading or the meta four, meta trader four.
so this is its own platform. It'll have all that. Um,
Mm-hmm.
you really wouldn't even need MT4 because
Got
it has its own
got you,
thing to where you could press buy and sell.
got you, got you, got you.
Um, And then TradingView is like I said, it's just I don't press buy or sell or I don't do any. This is just so I can break down the chart.
Got you, got you, got you, got you.
This is
Okay.
just my canvas, and I'd be like, okay, where am I at in the chart? So that means anytime. Um, what kind of computer you have? Is it a MacBook or
MacBook.
do you want to share your screen with me and basically break a chart down on TradingView?
Yeah. How do you do that?
Share the screen. It's at the bottom where it says share.
Okay. Share
Let me stop sharing real quick, and then you should be able to do it.
uh, screen. Share. All Zoom workplace to share your screen. Open system settings. Allow apps for- This is Zoom will not be able to record the content of your screen until it quits.
Oh,
What?
it's okay. No, you don't have to do it then. It's okay. Because I don't want it to like close us out and stop the recording.
Got you.
Um,
Yeah, I don't have a Zoom account, I
you're
guess.
good. You're good. It pretty much makes sense. I was just gonna have you. Hold on, where'd you go? Let me see. Okay. We're placing recording. Okay.
Yeah, I lost you too. What the hell?
Yeah, no, I got you. I'm just trying to figure out why. All right, I got you now. All right, so did any of that confuse you?
Not too much. It's seems like a lot of the same stuff I've seen in the videos. So I think I kind of got the gist of it. But just remembering the strategy, I just what I like you said, this is recorded, so I'm about to go back and look at it and like take notes and whatnot. But I think it's all making sense though.
What what even a little bit are you con any type of confusion? Anything. But you're gonna have my phone number, bro. So you
Yeah.
can text me, you can I would say call me, but I got a family, so I ain't trying to be on the phone all day.
No, for
But
sure, for
really
sure.
just text me and usually most 100% what I always do is I always say, hey, look, I'll text you back saying, hey, let's schedule a Zoom. Yeah, I can text you back and answer, cool. But
Mhm.
hey, I'm cool with I'll hop on a Zoom call with you tomorrow or the next day or whenever you're free, so we can really dive in and say like, hey, all right, you should be profitable by tomorrow, or you should know what you're looking at.
Got you, got you, got you. I can't really think of nothing like as of right now. I kind of just want to start doing the demo and then trying to see like where, see how it plays out type of thing.
Okay, perfect. You're not confused or nothing, right?
Uh,
Bro, because the reason I keep asking is because I want you to be profitable by next week. You know what I mean?
oh, for sure, for sure, for
So
sure.
I genuinely, and I'm on your side and I'm trying to get you profitable. So that's
Appreciate
why I'm saying I'm talking about anything.
appreciate it.
You
Right now,
good?
I think I'm good right now.
All right. Just let me know if you have anything. All this will be recorded. I'm gonna send it to you in your email.
Okay. I was gonna
Uh,
say, is what's that the demo account thing or the website?
plus 500.
That's fine. I got you. Yeah, I'm about to hop on that right now and see.
And even if you just just slacking or anything, if you could just use TradingView and TradingView, I think crypto. Yeah, see, crypto is still active, so you can still do all this breaking down the chart with a live chart on here.
I don't even see the chart no more. I just see your screen.
Oh, where'd you go? You see now?
No.
Dang, am I like I'm completely gone from your screen?
Well, I see you, just your face, but I don't see the screen.
Because oh, are you still sharing
Maybe hold on.
at the bottom? I think you're probably, does it say, can you put stop sharing?
Uh, entry screen. What the hell? This meeting is being recorded. What?
It's cool. Anyway, for the
It's just tripping.
yeah, in the crypto, you could do it on TradingView and mark up the chart the same way because it's actually moving. The price
Mhm.
is moving. So in case you don't want to open
Oh,
up,
there we go. There we go. I got you.
okay. So
Okay.
basically how I was saying how you see the time is on and everything.
Mhm.
That's the market actually moving. So you can break your whole chart down and um just like be like, obviously in 5 minutes you're gonna probably see that, oh, in 5 minutes the candlesticks are going down and everything like that. So you could that's still demo. I could still call this demoing. You know what I mean? As long as these candlesticks are right in my path, that's all that matters.
Okay, okay. Mm, trying to think if I have any other questions. How do mm, let me just play. I'm gonna play around with it more and see if
Okay.
I can get a feel with it. And then, yeah, if I have any questions, I'll definitely send you a text and see what's going on.
All right, I got you, man.
All right, man. Appreciate you, Anthony. Appreciate it much, man.
All right, man. Let me know if anything.
Yep, I got you.
All right.
You're gonna email me the recording, right?
Yes, sir. I have to wait. It usually like downloads for like 15 minutes.
Hmm.
Then after it's done downloading, then I can send it to your email.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, man. Let's get
All right,
popping.
man. Thank you. Appreciate it.